Hello everyone. So today we are going to make this lip correction. So she has a dark pigments as well as there is a white pigment also in her lips. So we are going to make a permanent treatment for her. So as you all know, this is the one and only advanced technique to heal this dark pigment as well as bring this vitiligo white color patches to be get to the normal skin. My name is Suresh Machu. I am the founder of Machu Tattoos and I am the certified artist of American Academy Micropigmentation and I own a license from the Miami. So in this video we are making this progress. So as you can see, I am telling the client that I am matching the upper lip color same as in the down lip. So while doing a process, you will be get a little swelling and the bleeding, but it's completely normal. It will get settled down in a time of 2 or 3 days. And this treatment does not contain any of the side effects or infections. It's completely safe and it's a least maintenance one. You no need to be apply any of the medicines on top of it or creams on top of it. It's completely pain free. So as you can see, there's no bleeding at all, so we are going with a much more smoother face and she's also enjoying the process. It's going well. So if you want to contact us, we are located only in Bangalore and our contact number is mentioned in the description. Please go through and contact us. Before we have mentioned our phone number on the screen itself, but some copyrights issue, something YouTube they have claimed it, so that's why we have mentioned our contact number is in the description. We have mentioned contact number and the location details, everything in the description. Please go through the description once. So we are doing a vitiligo treatment with this permanent makeup method from almost past 12 years. There are people comes from the different countries to get this treatment done. People comes from different states also to get this done. So basically if you see her, she came from all the way from North Karnataka and people are coming from all over the world, but we recommend everyone to take an appointment and then come down. Please don't do walk-in. There are chances you may need to be wait because we'll have the limited slots to be booked. So at least prior to 7 or 10 days, please book an appointment. In that way you will get your desired slots and you can come down. This cannot be done by every artist. This can be done by the specifically a artist who is skilled in it and who got the license in it. So always go ahead professionally and perfectly. Many of them tells will it be turns as any other dark colors or will this cause any infections? No, it's a zero infection free and the inks are made by the vegetable dyes, vegetable oils, so it's completely safe. You no need to worry at all about the pain wise or else the infection or the spreading, nothing. You no need to worry at all. We'll be take care of all those things. And some of them asking the question that I am a diabetics patient, diabetics 2, shall I get it done or not? So dark pigments, we can make it lighter. Some of the people due to smoking, they'll be get the dark lip and they'll be suffered a lot due to this dark lip because there is no permanent solution for it. There are temporary makeups where you can apply it and you can be look like little lighter lips, but it's not a permanent one. But we can make the lip lighter by this treatment. And as you all know, this is the one and only treatment where you can get the exact of your skin tone output, and we recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. Patch test is nothing but take a small portion of your skin and doing the test on that place. Because of doing this patch test on that particular place, we can get to know whether your melanin able to accept the ink or not. If your melanin able to accept the ink, then you can proceed to go ahead on the remaining places of the body. The duration between the patch test and the full body test, it will be at least 3 weeks to 4 weeks of the duration. When we give that durations enough, it will be heal much more faster and it will look so much better. So we are making a little more fast forwarding, so you can get to know the outputs and all the things. As you can see, her upper lip and the down lip matched equally. Many of them telling some of your videos the lips colors are looking so much darker. Why is that? Because their upper lip is darker, they are darker skin tone. So clients used to ask us, I want the same color to be get matched. So if you are a very lighter skin tone person and you are looking for a little pinkish tone, it's completely fine, we can able to do it. So it's completely depends on the client's requirement. If you want to get this treatment done, please contact us and share it to your friends also who suffer from this. It will be helpful for them. Thank you so much. I will be meet you on the next video. Until then, bye bye, don't die nude.